There are certain phrases that instantly lower how a woman sees you. Not because you're a bad person, but because, words reveal mindset. Today we're breaking down 3 forbidden phrases that silently destroy attraction and respect. Number 1, I guess, whatever you want. This sounds harmless, even polite, but psychologically it signals indecision and lack of direction. Attraction is deeply connected to certainty. When you constantly hand over decisions without thought or preference, it doesn't look respectful. It looks unsure. Confidence doesn't mean control. It means having an opinion and standing by it calmly. Number 2, why didn't you reply? This phrase instantly communicates emotional dependence. It tells her that your mood depends on her response time. When someone feels emotionally pressured, attraction drops, because confidence is emotional self-sufficiency. Instead of demanding explanations, stay composed. Silence with self-control is always more powerful than anxious questioning. Number 3, I'm not good enough for you. This may sound humble, but it forces her to either reassure you or, subconsciously agree. Both of these actually damage attraction. Self-doubt, when spoken repeatedly, becomes your identity. And, attraction cannot grow where insecurity dominates. Strong presence doesn't mean arrogance. It means a quiet belief in your own value. Remember this. Attraction is less about impressing and more about emotional stability. The words you choose really reflect how you see yourself, and people tend to mirror that perception right back to you. So, eliminate these 3 phrases. Strengthen your communication, and just watch how respect naturally increases. Confidence isn't loud, it's calm. And yeah, calm is powerful.